Hello traders, Heike Trader here, and in this video I would like to do an update on my view on the cryptocurrency market. Let's first have a look at Bitcoin, but before I start I would like to point out I'm not a financial advisor, so do not take this video and the charts I'm showing you as a kind of financial advice. I'm not, this is just for educational purpose. So let's start with Bitcoin here on the weekly Heikin Ashi chart. I made a video update on the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency market 3 weeks ago. I think that was this week, the week of the 15th of the 13th of December. And at that moment, I think we were trading around $47,000 for a Bitcoin. Today, at this moment, we are 42,260. You see it here, BTC USD. So I clearly stated in that video, and that was also the title of the video, why I'm not invested in Bitcoin at this moment. And I'm still not invested in Bitcoin, and I still do not buy the dips like they used to say. The reason is clearly the chart, what the chart is telling me. Look, if we are or we should be in a kind of bull market, like a lot of commentators on YouTube are telling you, then certain things should happen and other things should not happen. Here, we had a fantastic move in the last quarter, from the last quarter of 2020 up to the first quarter of 2021. No question, it was a huge bull market and I was able to profit from this market. Then we had about a 50% retracement, which is completely okay. I'm okay with that. And then Bitcoin started to move up again in the summer last year. And this was okay till this happened. We barely made a new all-time high. The last all-time high here from April 21 was about just a little bit above 65,000. The new all-time high, which occurred in November last year, was just 69,000, so barely $4,000 higher than the old all-time high. This, for me, is not a sign of a dynamic bull market. And you see what happens. We are now in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 week of correction. And yes, it could always go up again, of course, but it's not what I'm seeing. That is not what I'm seeing here on the weekly chart. I'm clearly seeing since 8 weeks Bitcoin going down. And this move down, in my view, is not at its end for this moment. I do not see an end in this Bitcoin correction. It could go much deeper. Why not in the direction of 30,000 or even 20,000? So that is for Bitcoin. Same remark for Ethereum. We had here an all-time high in May around 4,370, 380. And then the new all-time high in November was around 4,840. So yes, it was higher, but not really convincingly or dynamically higher. And you see we are correcting now also here in the 8th week. At this moment we are trading at 3,230. And there's no reason why it could not go deeper in Ethereum. So the same remark is true for Ethereum. Of course, if you put on the logarithmic chart, I do this, it looks much less dramatically, no question. Yeah, but still, this is quite a long time in a bull market for a correction. So what I'm seeing here also in Ethereum, there is definitely the possibility for a longer correction in this market too. Yeah? So that these two highs here, the high from May and the high from November, could actually become really a double top. I spoke about this already in the first video of 3 weeks ago. What I told about Bitcoin and Ethereum is even more true if you look at the chart of Cardano. Look, we had this all-time high here in August, where we went just above $3. And the last all-time high was in May, and there we were around it was $2.46. So same remark, look, this correction is going on since the beginning of September. This is not a kind of correction you would expect in a bull market. Yeah. So we lost about from 3.12 and we are now trading at 1.22. This is more than 50%. Okay. So that is not what you expect in a bull market to happen. Same remark for Solana. Here we had the top at around 261 and we are now trading at $138, $39 for Solana. So here also almost a 50% correction. Yes, if we could go up again here, you could accept this as a kind of retracement. I agree, but still, I do not see any possibility at this moment for a major new buying wave in Solana too. Look, we had here at the end of December, we had here two spinning tops in the Heikin-Ashi chart. And here was definitely the possibility for Solana to take up the bull market again, but it didn't work out. And therefore, I'm always saying you have to look at the two main leading markets, which is still Bitcoin and Ethereum, before investing in smaller cryptocurrencies. So yes, you could, or it seems that you could have an opportunity to buy here Solana at cheap prices, but I wouldn't do it. I would wait for Bitcoin and Ethereum to go up again. So you want to see money flowing in those markets, and especially in the two leading cryptocurrencies, before you start to invest again in smaller cryptocurrencies. That is my advice. It's not financial advice, but it's just experience. This means for me that I'm not invested in the crypto market at this moment. And what I'm seeing from the charts are major corrections, and that could turn into really a bear market. And actually, I think we are in a bear market in the cryptocurrencies. So we could have seen the highs already for this cycle. I know a lot of people are saying, keep calm and hodl and buy more. And that is not my recommendation. It's not what I'm doing, but I'm not a hodler. So for people who have a very long-term view on cryptocurrencies, this might be the right decision. This is not what I'm doing. I'm a trader. So I'm trading on the weekly chart. And what I'm seeing in the four most important cryptocurrencies is that we are going down. There is still going down now after 8 weeks. That's it for my update. I wish you good luck and see you next time.